guys, in today's video I'm showing you how to achieve this look and go full glam this festive season, so please keep on watching. So let's start with the base. For the base I'm using this L'Oreal's foundation. I'm just using one pump and using a stippling brush. I'll start applying foundation. I'll be using these three as my concealer. First I'll go in with an orange color corrector and just apply it here and not everywhere. And with a concealer brush I'm going to blend it. I'm lightly patting in the concealer to blend it, and I'm not moving around the product too much. After blending the color corrector, I'm going in with this concealer. I'm letting the concealer sit here so that I don't have to move around. So I will be blending this concealer first using the same patting motion. Now to quickly set the concealer and foundation, I'm going to use Maybelline's Loose Finishing Powder. To set the powder, I'm going to lightly tap the brush. To give some depth to my face, I'm going to be using L'Oreal's Glam bronzer. I'm not dragging the bronzer all the way here, I'm keeping it a little bit higher. Now I'm not into blush today, so I'm going directly into highlighter. For highlighter I'm using this Makeup Revolutions palette. I'm just mixing all the shades together. And highlighting. Now onto the eyes. I'll be priming my eyes with this eyeshadow base from NYX. It's a very nice eyeshadow base. And since it has a waxy texture, I like to go in with my fingers to warm up the product a bit. Now for eyes, I'll be using 2 to 3 palettes. For the first shade, I'll be using this Tati Beauty palette. And I will be using this shade. I'm going on my outer corner and gently tapping the color. I'm using the same brown shade for my inner corner. Gently using a clean brush, I will be going over the edges of the brown shade and buffing it and blending it. Now I will be going in and using this Huda Beauty palette. I'm taking this purple shade and applying it on the brown shade that I just applied. Now taking in the light lilac shade here, I will be going over in the middle. Now taking this purple shade, I will be going over the edges. And now using this Natasha Denona's Love palette, I will be taking the shade Transparent and going in the middle. Now using this K Beauty's Kajal, I will tight line my eyes. For lips, I'm using this Maybelline's lipstick in Mysterious Mocha and topping it off with this gloss from Hard Candy. So guys, this is my final look. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys are interested in watching Festive Glam done under 5 minutes, then please go watch my next video. Till then, take care and bye.